Hi Student Success, welcome to week 3. This is your week 3 assignment video. So this week is chapter 4. Chapter 4 will actually go into next week as well. So you'll have 2 weeks in chapter 4, and I'm going to talk a little bit about why that is here after I talk about your assignment. So there's only one assignment this week, which is nice. You just have a discussion forum. So like you've been doing, your discussion forum for weekly attendance is due by Wednesday, responded to classmates by Sunday. So that's the main thing you need to concern yourself with so let's go ahead and get into the assignment folder. And so it looks like 2 assignments in here, but they go together. So the first thing you need to do is take this How Well Do You Listen survey. So you're going to click on it and it's going to open up into one of these like little pages here. And you're going to go through, I'm going to type your name there.
For each of the following questions.
And it's going to talk to you, and you're going to just basically rank yourself with different areas that relate to listening. So just make sure you go all the way through. At the end, it's going to give you kind of like a little result, feedback. I am not going to see any type of results from your surveys. That's not the point of that. What the point is after you get your results, you're going to come down here and this is the response you're going to work with. So the prompt is 3 questions. How did you do? Did the results surprise you? And what is your plan for improvement? So when you click in here, you'll go to create thread, and again, it'll repopulate that prompt. So you're just going to answer these questions. You can certainly just, like week 3 or whatever you want to name it. You just 1, 2, those 3. Tell me, how did you do? Like, oh, I did well, or it said I needed to work on my listening, or it said I'm a great listener. Did the results surprise you? Yes, it surprised me because, or no, it did not surprise me because. Like, tell me why it did or did not. And what is your plan for improvement? What can you do to become a better listener? Can you remove distractions? Can you take notes? Can you be more physically or mentally prepared? Can you get in more of an academic space? Can you talk with your instructor? Lots of different things, right? So once you post your original response, make sure that you go back in before Sunday and responded to classmates. So again, making sure that you are building off of what they said, comparing, contrasting, interacting with them in a meaningful way. So that is your only assignment this week, is your How Well Do You Listen discussion forum. So please make sure that you also take a look at the chapter 4 lecture video, because that'll go over the concepts from the chapter. I also want to point out that your workshop video is uploaded in here. It'll be right here. It's been there since you've been able to see it, since week 1. I'm recording this a few weeks kind of out, so please make sure you take a look at this. I know you have until the end of the semester, but you really want to make sure you register for these workshops early on and get it done so you don't wait until the end of the semester and then be like, oh, I can't do it. What do I do? Nothing. There's nothing you can do. So make sure you take your workshop early in the semester. But what I wanted to talk to you about real quickly is that chapter 4 does go into week 4, and there is a workshop you have to take in week 4. I have it posted in your assignments. So by the time you see this, you would have seen it in week 2. It tells you to mark your calendars for February 3rd. And then I also have it again here. So on February 3rd, there is a workshop for all SSC101 students. It's not the same workshop as this workshop video, okay? It is not the same thing. It is a note-taking specific workshop. Every single one of you in this class has to take this workshop. For the Student Success workshop, you all will be taking different workshops, but all of you in here will be taking this note-taking workshop. It's on Monday the 3rd at 2 p.m. in either Akron A112, Maine B201, or Zoom. So if you want to attend it live, those are your options. Or if you can't attend it live, which obviously some of you work, you have class, you just need to watch the recorded version after the fact. So the workshop's at 2. It'll hopefully be uploaded in there by like 4 o'clock or something, maybe sooner than that. But you need to watch the workshop somehow. Live in person on Maine, in Akron, live on Zoom, or you watch the link after the fact, okay? There is an assignment associated with this workshop. That's why you need to watch it. I just wanted to kind of put that out there now, even though we're not quite there yet. I want to make sure that you have that date kind of set aside, or just anticipate knowing that you have to watch the workshop sometime in week 4. All right, if you have any questions on anything, as always, please feel free to reach out. Have a great week.